teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to learn how to make clutch purses out of books. So you will need a glue gun, you're going to need these magnetic snaps for the closure, some fabric, which I made two different ones. One is a bandana fabric, and you just use the bandana to make the lining for the purse. And then the other is a thicker fabric that works pretty well, and use that. So what you'll need to do is first you'll measure out your book. So you want to stand it up like this, and then you're going to want to allow about an inch width all the way around the book so that you can fold over the edges to keep them from fraying and sewing those together. I used a sewing machine on all of this. You can sew it by hand, and then you'll need a small piece of interfacing to put where the snap goes right here, and then inside the snap closure part right here there's interfacing as well. Now this one, the edges were a little too short, so that one I didn't allow the full inch when I was cutting it out. This one I did, and the edges are, as you can see, come up higher, so that one worked out better. And then to put it together, of course, the first thing you do is take out all the pages of the book. So just take those out, and then you will slowly hot glue one side of the book, and then you'll start in the bottom of the book right here and glue that down, and then just work your way up and then glue this side down as well, and then on the opposite side glue those. So when you're finished, you have a nice clutch purse that you can use that's made out of a book, so that's rather unique. And that's all to it.